You want the Hoover? Alright, go on then, plug it in. You know how to do it. You know how to plug it in.
I have.
Oh, what's that?
You have to put it here. Yeah? Put it on the
Ooh.
and it pops.
Whoa, that's so cool.
It's also do it. Hold on. Hand me it. Hand me it.
Yay, all out. Oh, look, there's another big red one. Shall I help? You want to plug it in?
Yeah.
Let me help you then. Plug in, Henry. Plug it in. Ah! Oi! Why are you stealing the big balls? Yellow, that's yellow. Well done. Blue. Oopsie, you got yourself. Yellow. Blue. That's green. Blue. Blue, blue. Hi guys. Hi. I can see you through the hole. Hey. Ozzy, play nicely. Out. Yeah, get him. He's naughty. He's naughty boy. Wow. Oh, red. That's red. That is so cool, yeah. Adam, go get the balls there. Somebody chuck them out. Who did that? Ozzy! Look what you're doing. Henry, are you okay? Naughty, Ozzy, naughty. Are you okay, Henry? That's what he's saying, yeah.
Henry is faster.
Yeah. Oh, green. Yeah. Yeah, let's show them what that is. So this is Uzi's toy. What's happened to Henry?
She wants to see.
So you do that. Ah! Yeah, do you know how to do it? See if you can do it. And it pops up. Yeah! Oh! Almost. You have to let go super fast.
Mom?
Yeah. Let's try to do it. Let's put the phone down over here. Wait, let's see if we can record it. So we push it down. Oh. And then we just let go. Oh. Everybody see that? That's so cool. Yeah.
I want the Dyson bubble.
Huh?
Dyson bubble.
You want a different Hoover?
No, Dyson bubble.
You want 1,000 bubbles?
No, a Dyson bubble.
You want the Dyson Hoover?
Yeah.
We don't have Dyson. Oh,
Mommy.
yeah. Amma has Dyson upstairs. Yeah.
I haven't done the Dyson.
No, don't get Dyson.
Why?
Henry's here. We don't need Dyson right now. Oh, your finger. Save yourself. Naughty Henry.
I want Dyson one.
You want Dyson one now?
Yeah.
Alright then. We do Dyson next, yeah?
I'm not Henry.
Henry's not your friend?
Yeah.
I thought you loved Henry.
No. It hurt me.
It hurt you? Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no. Uzi's here with his slingshot. Oh no. Whoa, you can do it! Well done! That was good. That was a good throw, Uzi. Oopsie. Whoa. Yay, red! That was a good sling. No, don't get mummy. No, don't get mummy. Adam, you stuck it on mummy now. Ah! Take that off. I'll get you now. No. Oh look, green ball. Go on then, show us. Show us your skills, Uzi. Let's see if Uzi can do it, guys. Oops! Oh, that was pretty good. Well done. It went all the way there. Oh, stop hoovering yourself. Yeah. Oh, that one. No, you have to use the actual ball for the thing. Shall we put away Henry now? Let's put him away. You want Dyson one? Alright, everybody get all the balls. Let's put them back in here. In the middle place. Oopsie. No, get them off the floor.
How does my denture?
Come on then, show me. Show me how good you can do it. Oh!
Did I show you?
Adam! What are you doing?
No.
Oops. Good try though. Oh my gosh, Adam, what have you done? Show me. Wow.
Did I show you?
Yeah. Whoa, that was such a good one, Uzi. Went all the way there. Well done. You're getting so good at that.
I know how to do this.
Go on then.
Dyson bubble.
You want Dyson?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get Dyson
Now
now.
what?